Two trading sessions ago, that was July the 16th, AGEN stock was riding high. It printed highs of around $18.74 during that trading session. Come today, the 18th, has lost everything. More than 50% of all of those gains it gained on that day, now down 58.26%. The company indicated today that the FDA has advised against accelerated approval for potential colorectal treatment, that the company is trying to get them to approve. So they indicated that the FDA discouraged an accelerated approval path for its potential colorectal cancer combination treatment consisting of botensilimab and balstilimab. The FDA had advised against submission of phase 2 trial results in support of an accelerated approval based on their view that objective response rates may not translate to survival benefit, according to the company. So the company said that the regulator agreed with the dosing regimen for a phase 3 trial of the combination treatment and recommended the inclusion of botensilimab monotherapy arm at the company's discretion in the phase 3 study. I think it sounds like it doesn't really sound that terminal, I think, but let's see. It has at some point printed lows of around $6.2. Now trading on this 4-hour chart is trading well away from its price channel. Okay, so as things stand right now, it's trading at $7.4, and that the price channel is currently at the lower line of this price channel is currently at 11.06. We can quickly try and find out what the probability that this rebound will happen, because naturally, you'll expect that the stock will come back into this price channel and it will happen. But the fact is that with time, this price channel will change. It may continue to even move towards the price if things don't change. With time, it will continue to yield downwards to meet up with the stock. So, or if it doesn't do that, then the stock itself, the price itself will it will come towards it. So one of those will happen. So going by what we're looking at right now, there's a good chance that we are looking at some moving averages that are sloping downwards. Maybe they may intersect with the lower line of this price channel, indicating that the bleeding that is currently going on may abate. But if anything, we can just quickly try and see if we can find out what the probability that it will rebound to 11.16. What is the point, if I may ask, of even trying to find out that probability? That probability will be very, very high. It will be very high. The simple reason is because the lower line of this price channel is at a huge premium to the current price of $7.4. So easily, you will get something very high. So maybe we don't need to bother that much. It's going to be something close to 99%, 90% or thereabouts or more. So we may just have a look at something else. We can quickly have a look at its. The market has just closed. I can't exactly see any point trying to have a look at its. Let's look at its 1-hour chart and see what we have here. Okay, yeah, it's here. You can see what I mean. The price channel has since come in. It has since moved towards the price of the stock. The stock itself on the 1-hour chart has been consolidating. So the price itself, the price channel has actually moved to accommodate to come back into reality. So the stock is now trading within that channel. Yeah, so that might equally be what may happen eventually on the 4-hour chart. So if anything, we can still, regardless, have a look at it at this at the projections. This is its daily chart. So we have 10.78. It just also seems it also coincides with the lower line of that price channel. Let's go back and look at that 4-hour chart. It seems to coincide with that. So let's see again. It seems to coincide with that. It seems somewhere not very far off. 11 point. Let's see what we have actually here. on this reading here, the lower line is 11.19, and we have the most upper projection is 10.78. So 11.19, that will be 0.22.19. So that's roughly 0.36. So there's a good chance this is a sort of price. This is a sort of price it can rebound to. A sort of price it can rebound to between 11.19 and 10.78. Because we're getting a correlation there. We have the lower line that it is expected that it will come back into, and then we also have a Fibonacci projection here. So that should give us an idea of the sort of prices, of the sort of rebound projections we should expect for the stock. But let's have a look at it at the 4-hour chart here. We might be able to find other projections we may find. Let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see. I'm guessing it's going to be the same thing. 11.89. Okay, this is a lot more, slightly higher than what we have on the lower line of that of the lower line on this 4-hour chart, on the upper projection on its daily chart. But here we can see 11.1, 11.7, 11.89. Let's see, we have a couple of projections all the way. We have, let's try and look back and see what we can find here. We have a couple of moving averages. We have 11.52, so 11.83. So if you want to do this, trying to find out this probability, like like in the case of the lower line of the price channel, there's a good chance you're going to get very high probabilities that the rebound will happen. So this is when I meant that the stock is still up 36%, and this year you can see the lows of 4.86 was printed on in April. So the stock was in a very short time, it was in a bullish medium-term trend before all of this it's not bad news. I think the FDA is just begging to differ. They're just begging to differ. But it seems from what we can look here, the money has been flowing into the stock. Money has been flowing into it, and maybe it hasn't gone away. The folks that were around, that were trading the highs of yesterday and the session before, they may have just seen a good reason to take profits. Let's put it that way. Seen a good reason to take profits. So on this 4-hour chart, rebound targets 11.79, 14.57, 15.36, 16.15, 16.65, all the way towards 21.31. But anything below maybe 17.74, it can, if market participants redeem the stock, if they redeem their position, if they review what has just transpired with this news from the concerning the FDA's advice, as it concerns accelerating their trials, for the treatments they are pursuing, then maybe they may continue to the uptrend may continue, the trend that was in effect, that began on the 19th, I want to believe 19th, or rather 19th of April, may resume again. Right now it has taken a big breather, a very deep breather. Now it has taken a very deep breather. Yeah. So yes, things stand right now, is still holding a loss of around 58%. Have a look at AGEN, see what you make of it, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.